So welcome to calligraphy part 2, right? So my dear learner, already you have learned A to N. Now we'll proceed O to Z, right? So as we have done A to N here, we'll follow the same process further and we'll get next alphabets, which will be a great beneficiary for you for coming future. Thank you. O. To make O, just turn this 1 by 1 and 2 by 2 boxes, followed by 4 by 1 and 3 by 2. Just down 1 by 5 and 2 by 4, then 3 by 4 is to 5 by 4, right? It become O. Now the shading part, we'll just do the shading in this particular boxes. It will be capital O, easy, followed by P. As we have drawn B, we'll just find out half of B, it will be P. These boxes, and then we'll turn this 4 is to 1, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 3, and 3 is to 4, and here it will be P. Half B is equal to P. Very simple. Already you have written B, right? Now Q, right? First O, already you have learned, nothing to do. Okay, turn the respective corners, it will be O. First we'll find out O, right? So in calligraphy process, twice we are learning O. And now the character of Q will find out horizontal of these two boxes and down also, right? And we'll add, it will Q. Next is MNOPQR. To write R, again you repeat P, these vertical boxes, as well as we'll turn 4 is to 1, 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3 opposite, and 3 is to 4. It will be P, half B, as I repeat, right? MNOPQR. To write R, we'll just find out this point to this point and this point to this point, it will be R, right? Then S. Do you remember B? We have taken horizontal upper boxes, middle boxes and lower boxes. You just keep these three boxes in mind, then turn here, and this 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 here, 3 by 1, right? Just opposite. Okay, 4 is to 3, 4 is to 3 here, right? And turn just opposite here, and here it will S. You get it? Easily I have just done it. So you'll follow the same. S. Next is T. T is also very easy. So we'll take, to write T, the horizontal boxes here, right? The horizontal boxes of top 4 boxes, and we'll find out in between 2 and 3, the middle one, right? And we'll draw a straight line with help of scale. Remember, in calligraphy we'll use tools, different tools like scale and all others. Without tools we'll not do. Now QRSTU. U is also very easy. As you remember O, the upper part will not turn, the lower part will turn it here and here, and in this two, lower boxes, it will be U. Easy. Next, V. To write V, we'll take this corner points and just opposite 4:1. And as we have done T, we have drawn a middle line in between 3 and 4. We'll get 2 points in down. Then this first point to first point will meet here with help of scale, I repeat. And then from this side also, this second part to this first part, and second point to this last point. It will capital V. It will just make it opposite. You can write this way also, capital A, right? So W, do you remember M? Just opposite M, we'll take this 5 vertical boxes as well as another side, this column, and we'll find out 2 points like just opposite M. This point to this point will meet, and this point to this point, right? Vice versa. This point to this point, and this point to this last point. It will W. Okay. If proceed the W forward, it will be X. Like this point, point 1, this point to this point, and the last points. We'll add it here, right? And here, one diagonal line we have got. Then another side, this point to this point will add here, and this point to this point, right? It will X. So X is very easy. Almost in calligraphy second part, you are getting the letter easily because already you have learned the process. So next we'll write Y and Z. You have written V. Follow the same. The first point will get 2 middle point here, and we'll add it here, right? Small V we try to write. And as you have written T, we'll just find out that middle line, and we'll add those 2 points here and here. It will be Y, right? It will be Y. Now Z. Z, to write Z, will take upper 4 boxes as well as lower 4 boxes, and we have written X. Do you remember? Like that, we'll meet this point to this point, and this end point to this inner point, right? It will be Z. Okay, so you have learned today O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. From A to Z is over. Now you can write. So thank you.